Welcome to Lisa moving on.
We're doing a slow bloom today. I usually do things really fast, and sometimes you guys can't see my consistency, so I thought I'd slow it down a bit.
Yeah, she always goes too fast. Comment down if you believe.
You know, people always tell me I talk too fast, I do things too fast, and Mo always tells me to slow down. But I always forget because I just feel like people would get bored if I go too slow.
And people can't understand if you go too fast.
You're right. I'm trying really hard. I do know that that's Prussian blue right there. And this is Liquitex Gold.
If you guys didn't know, she uses a lot of blue.
I use a lot of blue because blue...
And she doesn't use the gold color that much.
I don't. Liquitex Gold, I actually used to use a lot 2 years ago. And I revisited an old color combo and mixed it up again, and it's not so shabby. Now, it's important. This is my Cell Activator. Australian Floetrol and titanium white, about 3-to-1, but I don't measure.
Well, that's actually really interesting why you don't measure, and I know the answer.
What's the answer?
Measuring doesn't count.
Measuring doesn't count because one day it could be cold outside and your paints will be thin. Thick, I mean. And one day it might be... Well, no, now we're just confusing everyone. When it's hot, your paints get thin. When it's cold, your paints could get thick. So measurements don't matter. It's important to know what you're looking for. That's why on my YouTube, I have a lot of videos.
We went on an OV trip, and when we went home, Mommy's paints were very dry.
You're right, they were dry because I left them for too long, and you can't let them sit for too long. Anyways, final result.